Today we are going to create 3D text with reflection effect. Go to the photos, add photo and set this as a background image. Now add page and apply black color. Now go to the text, add text, apply styles and adjust the text. Download image as a transparent background. Go to the apps, search for the transform image. Select the first app and upload the image that you are recently downloaded. There is no any option to transfer image in this app. You need to use mouse to transform image. Adjust the image how you want and upload this. Go to the edits, then go to the duo tones. Here you can change the colors of this text. Apply color whatever you want. Go to the elements, search shadow. And add the shadow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials. Make a duplicate of this text image. Now go to the edits, go to the apps and scroll down. Here you see Liquify. Open this app and apply melt effect. You can adjust melt amount, melt scale, wobble amount. Now adjust the transparency.